Newsflash, guys, look what's arrived in the post. A lovely set of new rims. Look at those babies, a new set of rims. Oh, excellent. And they're 18-inch aluminium. And let me just have a rearrange a second. Let's just put this one down here, put this baby up, and then bring you in, and you can see the difference between the two widths. So obviously the new ones are a lot wider, and which means I'll be able to get some right fat old rubber on those babies. So they're going off to the powder coaters. I'm going to stick them in the van. There's one more box to go off, and I'll be doing that tomorrow. So these will be going. And they'll come back satin black. The hubs will come back. The spokes are on order from the Netherlands with a few of the bits as well. And a bit of other news flashes while I deliver the box tomorrow and the wheel rims. The first load of stuff, the frame and everything else, is all ready. So I'm going to collect that at the same time. Right, one air cleaner. This is the plastic housing for the air cleaner, you can see in there, but it is absolutely shot. Not much of the foam left at all. This cover goes over the top. There's a screw there, so you can actually take that off to you know, change it, clean it out. This side is riveted on, so we're going to drill these rivets out and take the cover off and get those powder coated. Okay, so that's another panel. So that's two panels which are going to go to the off to the powder coaters. Stick them in the box. And now we can have a look at what we've got left. That's what's left of the air filter. No foam on it. Decides to take the inside of this out. So unscrewing these 4 10mm nuts. There's a handy little set here of tools which grabs all the knackered nut and bolt. Worked on 2 of them brilliantly. Just this one. Hey, there we go. That's got that off. Bits all finally cleaned up. Looks a lot better than it did. I'm glad I decided to take it off and make a better finish. That's okay. So they're all ready for some paint. Some primer and then some paint. I'm going to clean up rather, soapy solution. Clear all these big bits off, and then we're going to start taking a look at these bits over here. Okay, this is the headlamp. So I'm going to start by unscrewing, should I say. Unscrew this. So again, I'm having this. The chrome ring powder coated satin black, so I've got to get a box of stuff ready to go to the powder coaters for tomorrow. Okay, what have we got in here? Let's just twist off this up there. Just pull that out. Okay, and looks like there's a spring clip on the side here holding the lens. Oh, another one there. Let's just take that off. There we go. That's the bit I want. No holes in it, which is pretty good. But obviously they're going to give that a sandblast, and that will come back all nice and clean. Okay, so we've got the headlight, which I've cleaned up. There's a bit of filler on that because I'm going to just give that a sand down, take out some marks in it, same as the airbox. But the airbox is all clean, dismantled. That's the surround for the clocks, Again, that's nearly done. Just going to wait till this filler dries. The air intake bit that goes on the side of that airbox, and a few of the brackets I'm just going to put a bit of filler on them. It's going to give them a sand down, but they've come up all nice and clean, and some hanging up there waiting to be sprayed. So I'm going to give those a bit of a sand down and then start some spraying. This is my Heath Robinson spray booth. There we go. So the bits have been sanded down, painted in undercoat. Give them another quick sanding down, and then we'll give them a top coat, and then put them on the shelf, ready to be fixed into the frame later. Here we have it. Airbox, new stainless nuts, washers on it. I've re-riveted the little brackets back onto it, and that's come out really well. So I'm pleased about that. So that's just waiting for the powder coaters. I've got that cylindrical thing that the filter foam fits around, so that'll come back hopefully sometime this week. We've got the clock surrounds, which I'm quite pleased about, all nice and shiny, and obviously the back of the headlight bowl there, all the wires and everything collecting that bit. Talking about the headlight, the actual dish bit here, reflector dish, that's no good. This is so thin that when I tried to polish some of it out, it just came off. Pulled the thin chroming off. Glass has come up all nice and shiny and clear, and this, considering what that looked like, it's completely covered in oil. This has come out really well, so I'm pleased with that. Cleaned inside and out, ready to go back on the bike. That bit there's for the toolbox, so obviously that sticks out the right hand side of the bike. Fill it up with oil, put your toolkit in there should you need it. So those bits are going to go on the shelf for later, and now I'm going to give you a bit of a teaser. I'm going to show you what's arrived and what's going to be happening in the next episode. Remember that is the rusty rear mudguard. Now look at it, a far cry from what it was. That's come up really well. Well chuffed with that. Nice and shiny, and you might have seen what's next to it, which was absolutely caked in a load of grease and all sorts of stuff down there. The rust has been blasted off it. It's come up really well. We're going to start putting the bike back together. We're going to start putting the rear shocks on, swing arm, and we're going to start putting the bearings back in here and the headstock for the forks. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again. Swing arm, shocks on the back. I'm going to put some bearings and the fork thingy-bobs, doodads, whatever they're called. I'm going to take that again actually, because I don't know what I'm on about. What are they called? Fork things. Things that the forks fit in. Headstock. Don't know.